Happy Earth Day! In 2020, Young Living planted 16,000 black spruce trees at our Northern Lights farm and distillery and 20,000 blue spruce seedlings at our St. Mary's farm and distillery with the goal of replenishing oxygen into the environment.
In 2021, we want to make an impact beyond planting trees. This year, we're sharing 15 simple lifestyle adjustments you can make to be a part of a larger environmental influence. Our planet-preserving tips are broken into 5 categories: reforestation and restoration, water saving, recycling, environmentally friendly products, and carbon emissions.
Let's talk about the ways you can impact reforestation and restoration. Opt for paperless bills instead of mailed bills. Replace invasive plants in your yard with native ones. Grow your own garden. If you don't have a yard to garden, it's amazing what you can grow in a windowsill.
Next, here are 3 tips on water saving. Take shorter showers, run your dishwasher only when it's full, and fix leaky faucets and shower heads.
Everyone's favorite category is recycling. Don't wish cycle by tossing items out that don't meet guidelines into the bin and hope that they can be recycled. This can contaminate the whole truckload. Learn your area's curbside recycling do's and don'ts and properly separate recyclables at home. Use reusable bags, straws, bottles, and utensils. Recycling is something we're so passionate about at Young Living, so be sure to visit our blog, The Lavender Life, for more information and in-depth resources on this topic.
Now let's talk about environmentally friendly products. Buy from local markets, farms, or co-ops. Reduce food waste by buying reasonable amounts of produce and composting any waste. Use non-toxic, environmentally friendly cleaning products such as our Thieves Household Cleaner or Thieves Spray.
2 of our favorite products. And finally, carbon emissions. Combine errands to avoid multiple trips, lower the temperature on your water heater, and lastly, be sure to turn off your computer and your lights each night.
The best part about these tips is that they are small modifications you can start today. Thanks for watching and letting us share easy ways we can help restore our Earth.
If you have a tip to share, leave it in the comments and remember to subscribe and follow us on our official Young Living social media accounts.